Fourthwall tutorial, how to set up Fourthwall. So this is a basic and easy guide on Fourthwall tutorial. So first, what you got to do is you have to go to any web browser and then search for Fourthwall. This is what it looks like. Now you can create an account using your Google, your YouTube account, your Twitch, or you can sign up with your email address and your password. Now for me, the easiest way to create an account is through Google account. So I just have to connect my Google account right here. Once done, and then you should tell something about yourself here. So here you can tell or you can enter your username and your name. You need to enter or select your country, and you need to answer this: where does your audience find you? For me, it's YouTube. And then I have to add or paste my YouTube account right here. But if you don't have one, then you could also select Instagram or TikTok. For me, I will choose my TikTok account. So I'm going to paste my TikTok account right here. It will appear my TikTok username. And then after that, I can now proceed or click continue. So the first thing that you can see here is your home, and basically you can now start creating or adding your product here on Fourthwall. So my account is not yet fully verified, it's still 50%. So in order for me to complete this 100%, I need to do this, like I need to connect my account. Like if I have TikTok shop, if I have YouTube account or channel, I just have to click connect right here. And also, it's a good thing because you are promoting your social media account. Fourthwall offers donations as part of its creator tools. Fourthwall allows creators to set up donation pages where fans can contribute money directly to support their favorite creators. So for now, I don't have any donations yet, but basically you can see it right here. Also, in Fourthwall, creators can personalize thank you messages for fans who support them through donations, purchases, or membership. And these thank yous can be automated and customized to enhance fan engagement and show appreciation, which is this one. Now in the product section, also here you can see two options: add products and collection. So if you want to create a new product, you just have to simply click on add product and then choose the product type, for example, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, digital downloads, and etc. You can upload your design or digital file and customize the product details like product title, description, pricing, variants, shipping, and fulfillment. You can set up fulfillment, or you can also preview the product and make some adjustments if necessary. So once everything is set up, publish the product to make it live on your store. You can also create a product collection. Just tap this collection tab right here, click on create new collection or similar button. Name your collection, for example, t-shirt, summer collection, or digital downloads. And then you can add products to the collection by selecting from your existing product list. Right now I don't have. Now arrange the products in order you want them to appear. And optionally, you can customize the collection page by adding a description, cover image, or special promotions. Now you can save and publish the collection. So on Fourthwall, creators can take advantage of promotions and membership. First is promotion. Promotions allow you to offer discounts. Like you can also offer discount codes, sales events, free shipping offers, exclusive offers. So for example, promotions, let's just say for discount codes, you can create custom discount codes that your fans can use at checkout. This can be percentage based or fixed amount discount. Also, you can offer sales events. You can run sales on specific products or collections for a set period. For example, a holiday sale or a special promotion for new product launches. Free shipping offers. Offering free shipping is a powerful way to encourage purchases, especially for international customers. And lastly is exclusive offers. You can create promotions that are exclusive to your biggest supporters or members, giving them first access to limited edition products or early bird pricing. Also, Fourthwall allows creators to set up membership, giving fans a way to support them on an ongoing basis in exchange for exclusive content or perks. So as you can see, if you want to create a post, or let's just say if you want to create your own design, I highly suggest or recommend Canva. So yes, you can easily create membership pictures using Canva for your Fourthwall store or any other platform. You just have to log into Canva, go to Canva and create an account, then choose the right template, search for membership cards, badge, or banner templates. This can serve as a starting point. Alternatively, you can choose a custom size if you want specific dimensions. And then after that, you can now customize the design, add a title, a visual, branding, perks of benefits. So you can also use Canva's element tab to add fan or engaging visuals like 3D icons, borders, and so on. Download and use. So after that, you can now go back to Fourthwall and then add this description right here and also import the picture or the image that you have created using Canva. You can add tags right here. And then after that, you can publish so your customers or clients will see these membership images. This way, you can make engaging and professional looking membership images to represent your different levels on Fourthwall. Under membership, you can also see here messages. You can also see here video series for members, exclusive video content for members, personalized messages for premium, silver or gold. You can send personalized video messages or custom written thank you notes, member perks, discount codes, implementing on Fourthwall, and so on. So basically, these are the options that you can see here under membership. Now, you can also set up some changes with the membership settings. So here you can set changes with the annual subscription, general, messages, badges. You can also set some changes with the welcome post, also with the mobile application, and then the shop upselling. Now, once you're done, you can now proceed with the layout, pages, and themes here on your Fourthwall. So in Fourthwall, you can design your Fourthwall store if you want your own structure or pages in a way that's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Then you just have to simply go to the header section. Here you can include or add your logo and navigation. If you don't know how to create one, I strongly suggest you use Canva. Now you can start adding your image banner, featured collection, featured product, and so on. You can also customize the look. So basically, you can change the color of the theme right here, color of the font, and then you could also change the background color of your page. So you can just simply click it right here. Also change the font style and font size. Just click this and choose the correct or right font size or font style for your website. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and basically you can just simply explore everything here. You can add logo, you can edit your header. Also here you can choose your own color scheme, fonts, button styles. You can also add some images here if you want to upload high quality images for your products and banners. Use lifestyle images where possible to show your products in context. You can also add collections, collection pages, product pages. Overall theme vibe, you can choose minimalist theme, bold and playful theme, luxury theme, and so on. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can now simply change the color right here, like what I've mentioned earlier, and then add your logo, add some picture for your background or for your logo here on your Fourthwall. So that's how easy it is. It's easy to design because Fourthwall has a user-friendly interface. Now, in short, Fourthwall is a great choice for creators and entrepreneurs looking to build an online presence and monetize their brand. And in summary, it provides a comprehensive solution for creators who want to sell products, build a membership community, and engage directly with fans with its easy-to-use features and functions. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.